Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video of Subway memes. Remember to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks to our top memers for providing memes. Leon Maxton, BFB Shopping Cart, Septa Chen 2240, AZ Brian 125, JayPlayzTrains, Cool Transit Fan, Dilton Plays, Septa Bus Chan, Naem, Munipals R33 Bluebird Fan, MrGamingFox, Wheez, Train Lord the God. If you have a meme you can go onto our Discord server and submit some memes. The link is in the description. Anyways guys, it's time for the memes.
Kawasaki, why the R211 window is so small? I don't know.
Foam tub for sale. Therapist, the 747 train doesn't exist. It can't hurt you. The 747 train. Plane from Paris to London. Eurostar from Paris to London. Release R211 early or draw 25. MTA. R60 to A7. R188 Diamond 7. Yay, my day off. Let's go for a joyride. My seat is better. No mine. Nobody likes yours. Don't try both seats, they hurt. Try this one. Sells food and drink at station. No food or drinks allowed on train. Me finding a bus meme while watching Subway memes. Can't buy ticket on train. Can pay fine instantly by credit card or FPAS. R179 memes. Bombardier memes. Shanghai Maglev. I'm fast boy. No one can beat a Shanghai Maglev. TGVV 150. Hold by Mui Duplex. This is brilliant. But I like this. People who want R211. More people who want R211. MTA. The Trickster. Presidential alert. R211 is in service right now. Bring R211 early or draw 25. MTA. Me. The brown W train doesn't exist. The brown W train. Trying to search up MTA on Google image. Is this the first one you see? Rainfanners with real toy trains. Thank you for changing my life. Haha, me go Kawasaki R211 Alstom Opton XAC train motor. Just a innocent picture of R110A2 train. Wait a minute, this is foam. R211 window be like. Everybody, foam. Alright peeps, that's all the memes we have today. Remember to submit your memes to our Discord so you can be mentioned in the next episode. Pay tribute to HT, a once wonderful Roblox server. Thanks for watching this episode of Subway Memes.